So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to do a 360 on the snow. Mark Haley, if you're watching, this is a video that you've requested on how to do a 360 because you want to do it better than your son. Now here I am in gorgeous Italy, and today we're going to learn about how to do a 360 on the snow, which is a very cool trick and it should be added to your toolbox. So what you'll find really with a 360 is a lot of people, they get stuck halfway around. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is make sure that your feet are close together and it's about a flat ski. So here we go, feet close together, flat ski. You get a bit of momentum first, and then you twist your upper body around and up on a flat ski, both to the 180, and then this is when you need to then lean back, okay, and keep twisting with the shoulders round. 360. Let's have a go. Take 10. So what you want to do is really important, okay? You want to make sure, number one, is that your feet are nice and close together, okay? So have your feet really close together, okay? Clamp them together, and then it's all about the rotation. So you rotate round, and when you get to this position, okay, you need to then lean back, okay, lean back and rotate both feet flat. Okay, so let's do it in fast motion. Feet close together, shoulders round, rotate back. So it's really important to have your feet really close together, and it's a flat ski. Okay, so it's a flat ski and you're rotating all the way round. Rotate round, twist, lean back and twist again. What you can see is once you've done one way, try and work the other way as well, so you're nice and smooth on both ways. Check out Nathan's 360, who are skiing with in November. So Mark, I hope you enjoyed that video and I hope it improves your 360 on the snow. For everyone else watching, if there's a video that you'd like me to make, just drop in the comments below and I'll try and wrap one up before the end of the season. And thanks for watching everybody, and I'll see you in the next one. Boom!